How to install CapCut on iPhone devices. Are you guys facing issues to install CapCut on iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the search icon. Click on it. After you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for CapCut. Now click on the first option where you can see this icon for CapCut. Tap on download button. As soon as you click on download, the app will start to download. It might take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. And as you guys can see, CapCut has been installed on our device. Now just simply tap and open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download CapCut on our iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.